Hey everyone, I wanted to just share a really quick tip for you. If you are a homeowner and anytime in the near future you're thinking about selling, be sure to keep your receipts or your invoices for things that you've either done repairs on or upgrades or brand new anything. Surveys, if you've ever done refinances and have your old appraisals, if you have any documentation on the home, it's really recommended that you go ahead and keep it because buyers, as they come through, they really do like seeing feature books. I actually get a lot of really great feedback when I'm listing a house. I put one of these in the kitchen usually, and I just kind of put the picture of the home on the front, and I have the clear sheets that I can stuff with all the good invoices. Another good thing that we can always put in there are utility bills. That's a really good thing for people to see. And sometimes people even really enjoy reading a letter from the seller, just some of their favorite features about the home or the neighborhood. So just a little quick tip for you as you're preparing to sell your home. And of course, if you ever need anything, just inbox me or give me a call. Hope you all are well. Take care. Talk soon.